Find the weighted average given a set of items. Miss Kathy's average monthly water bill for the first 6 months of a year was $83. Her average monthly water bill for the next 6 months of the year was $42 more than that of the first 6 months. Find Miss Kathy's average monthly water bill for the whole year, blank dollars. So we know that her average monthly bill for the entire year is going to be equal to the total money she spends in the whole year, or the sum, divided by the months, or the time that she spent it in. So let's first worry about how much she spent in the entire year. We know that for the first 6 months, she spent $83 each month. So if we multiply these two together, we're going to see that she spent $498 in the first 6 months of the year. In the second 6 months of the year, she was spending $42 more than she was in the first 6 months. So if she was spending $83 in the first 6 months and $42 more in the second 6, we have to add these together to figure out how much she was actually spending. And it's $125. So if we multiply 125 times 6, because she was spending that much for 6 months, we can see that she was spending in those 6 months $750 for her water bill. So the total bill for the whole year is going to be the first 6 month total, which was $498, plus the second 6 month total, which was $750. And this comes out to exactly $1,248. It's a lot of money. In order to figure out the average, how much she was spending for each month for that year, we divide by 12, because there's 12 months in a year. So we do 12 into 1,248, how much she spent. 12 goes into 12 one time, with no remainder. Bring down the 4. 12 goes into 4 no times. And then 12 goes into 48 exactly 4 times. So the monthly bill on average for that year for Miss Kathy was $104.